Why did industrial revolution begin in England? There were many factors because of which industrial revolution began in England. They are new scientific knowledge and invention, agricultural revolution, stable government, Protestant religion, surplus capital, availability of cheap labor, and naval supremacy. So let's start with the first factor, that is new scientific knowledge and invention. The increase in the demand for manufactured goods encouraged the technological innovations. These technological innovations made the work easier and faster, and that ultimately led to the industrial revolution in England. The second factor is agricultural revolution. Agricultural revolution in England of the mid 17th century paved the way for industrial revolution. Introduction of improved methods of agriculture and consolidation of land holdings led to the increase in agricultural output of England. The use of new tools for agriculture replaced manual labor to a large extent, and this labor force was then diverted towards the towns and cities to work in the industrial economy for low wages. Stable government. England in the 17th century saw the period of relative peace and stability. This peace and stability in England proved nourishing for economic growth. Protestant religion. Protestantism encouraged the rise of capitalism and further made the advancement of industrialization possible. Surplus capital. An active involvement in overseas trade and commerce and booming cotton industry fetched England immense foreign wealth, and this surplus capital was then used to foster new scientific ideas and development of new industries. Availability of cheap labor. Mechanization of agriculture led to unemployment in rural areas. These people migrated to towns and cities and they looked for jobs. This created an enormous labor force ready to work in factories for low wages. Availability of coal and iron. Coal and iron were the essential resources on which the Industrial Revolution was built. Iron was used to make machines and coal was used to run them. Both were in abundance in North England, and that led to the Industrial Revolution in England. Naval supremacy. The English Navy, known as the Royal Navy, was one of the strongest navies of the world. When Industrial Revolution began, the Royal Navy was used for trade and exploration to acquire colonies in Asia and Africa. Thus, it also helped or encouraged the Industrial Revolution in England.